y'all. This is pre-bleach, pre-plucked, pre-cut 7x5 bye-bye knots glueless, and it's from Amazon. Hey y'all, I'm back with another wig review and unboxing. So let's jump right into it. If y'all seen my previous video, I did just unbox a wig from UNice on Amazon, the same company, so go check that video out. I'll link that right here for y'all to watch, so click that and watch that because that video was fire. Okay, and we got another fire wig right here, so let's get into it. First things first, y'all know the drill. We looking at the goodies in here, and it's always the same for UNice. Lately they haven't given me long nails, but let's see this package. These look a little different. I have gotten these before though. These are the little shorter pink nails that they give. Okay, those are really cute. I don't know if I ever got this shape before, have I? This is like an almond shape and like a fuchsia almost purplish color. And you got some UNice stickers, super cute. UNice HD wig caps and super cute pink UNice melted band. So let's get into the real stuff here. The wig looks very long, and the wig is very heavy. Just holding it in my hand like this, like it feels heavy, and like look how it's like unfolding. Very long, and y'all know the longest that the UNice on Amazon wigs come is like 24 inches. Well, actually now they have like 26 and 28, but majority of the wigs only go to 24, but it's like a hefty 24 inches because look at this. And at the end it's even still bunched up, so like when they say 24, to me it really be giving like 26, 28, because let's just take this out the bag and see. And this is a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig. I've been loving 7x5 bye-bye knots wigs lately because they're just so quick and easy and fast, and I can literally just throw it on and go. And this is water wave in 24 inches 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig. So fire, y'all, like please. Okay, that's what it's saying. Let's open this up. I'm excited. We got our adjustable strap that I'm gonna put in the wig to tighten it to fit my head so it can be a glueless wig. And then we have bye-bye knots tape so that you can tape this wig to your head as well to make it glueless. I prefer just to use the strap and just to tighten it to my head, so I literally can just snatch it off when I want, and like it looks perfectly fine that way to me. Okay, and this is what the unit is looking like. The curl pattern already looks really pretty. Like I'm excited. And let me show y'all. Ooh, y'all, this just looks so good. Like I cannot wait to put this on. Pre-bleach, pre-plucked, pre-cut. UNice just always does a phenomenal job, so like I don't know what to say, it just always looks so good. Okay, and then the curls, this is water wave. This is what it's looking like, and the hair does feel very thick and full. Like I said, when I first grabbed the package out the box, it did feel very heavy, and it still feels very heavy right now, so do keep that in mind. It's very full. And let me show y'all this lace once again. Okay, clearly a middle part that is clearly pre-bleached and pre-plucked right here in the front as well. And it's also pre-cut as well. So we love an easy unit like this, quick and easy install. I love the fullness of this wig. The curl pattern already looks really pretty. I'm excited to put this on, y'all. And yeah, y'all, this is what it's giving. So super thick, super full. The curls are really pretty. It's pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-plucked. There's already a middle part. I'm just ready to throw this on. So I am gonna put this on tonight. All I'm gonna do is put makeup on this wig and put this on my head. I'm gonna show you how I melt it, so y'all don't go nowhere. Stay tuned, BRB. Let me tighten this a little bit more. Now I'm gonna put it back on, y'all. Disregard how my makeup looks, just insane. When I took off the wig I had on before this, it kind of just messed up, so yeah, just disregard, y'all. I know it looks crazy. So for this look, I do want a lot of baby hairs, so I'm gonna part out quite a few. I don't know. I just love my baby hairs like that. Like, is that too much? Like, am I overdoing it or what? Because to me, it looks so good. Right now, this side, I think I need to curl it a little bit more. I think I'm gonna take out a little bit more baby hairs right here. All right, and then I'm taking this and spraying it. All right, now band on. So now I'm going to, oh, I look cute already. Now I'm just going to hot comb the top of this flat by going in sections with my wax stick and my hot comb. Y'all know the drill. Y'all, the hair is still drying, but it's like halfway dry right now, so I'm just showing y'all the hair, how it looks now. I wish this could dry a little faster. I need to get me like a diffuser. I have one, I think, somewhere. I just don't know where it is, but I need to find that or either buy a new one, because it's like 2:30 in the morning and I'm just waiting for this hair to dry, and it's just like, my eyes is itching more and more about a minute. But this wig is real cute, real cute, and I love the texture, I love the fullness, I love the softness, I love the lace. So I'm gonna stay up and let this hair fully dry so I can show y'all this hair fully dry. Y'all, water wave is really becoming one of my favorite textures ever because look at this. Look how pretty this freaking dries. Like, even when it was wet, it was pretty, don't get me wrong. But like, this texture is just so freaking like, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Absolutely yes, a million times. Like, yeah, this is so freaking tea. Like, I feel so cute with this hair. And is. Look at the curls on this unit. The freaking curls on this unit, out of this world. The fullness, out of this world. And the hair is so soft and just fluffy and just so like, this is just so pretty. And I love the curls on this unit, like seriously y'all. This is so freaking pretty. And I did not used to be a fan of water wave, and now that's because I wasn't getting good water wave wigs. With this right here, perfect chef's kiss. Like, I love this. So y'all, this is the final looks of the hair. The hair is still like a little damp in here, but I forgot to go to bed now, and I think this is a pretty good look at the hair. But yeah, so thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you check out my Amazon storefront to get this exact unit, pre-bleach, pre-plucked, pre-cut. And yeah, it's on Amazon, so like, why would you not shop this unit? UNice bye-bye knots is glueless, 7x5. Like, go and get this unit. Like, can we get into this right here? Fire. Shop the link on my Amazon storefront now.